Hello Marys, what's up nerds? It's me again Ronan and welcome back to my channel! Hey everyone! So guys, how are you? It's the weekend, actually Friday guys, Friday night. Ayun, so meron akong time na hindi pa ako inaantok. Meron akong time na makapag-video. May naisip akong gusto kong i-video. Kaya eto. Anyway, guys, how are you? Kamusta naman kayo? I think it's our second week na ba? Second week na ba ng GCQ? No, second week na, no? So, kamusta naman kayo, guys? So, I hope okay lang kayo, no? I hope na nakalabas na ba kayo? Nakapunta na ba kayo sa labas? Nakita nyo na ba kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid ninyo at sa labas? Well, if you're going to ask me, yes, nakalabas na ako, guys. Nag-grocery kami, kailan ba yun? Last weekend yata, o around mga Sunday yata yun. So, lumabas kami, pumunta kami ng BGC, pumunta kami ng market, tapos nag-Aura, SM Aura. Kasi guys, mag-grocery kami. Sa market, sobrang haba ng pila. Tapos yun, pumunta kami ng SM Aura. Buti naman medyo manageable yung pila doon. So nakapag-grocery kami doon. At nakapag-chat time ako. Ayun, and then pumunta kami ng Uptown. Nakakalungkot, guys. Kasi dati, yung normal pa, wala pang corona, normally pag medyo Friday or bago mag-weekends, galing office, dumidiretso ako ng Uptown. Tapos yun, palamig muna, ikot-ikot, ganyan. Then normally pupunta kami ng Uptown kasi yun yung mas malapit sa amin dito sa bahay. And sobrang maraming tao doon, maraming mga musician sa labas, yung mga ganyan. Tapos masaya kasi nga manonood ng sine, magda-dine out, ganyan. Pero nung pumunta kami, sobrang lungkot, guys. Sobrang nakakalungkot yung lungkot ang mall. Wala masyadong tao. Siguro andun lang yung mga tao sa grocery. Pero sa mall itself, wala masyadong naglalakad-lakad. Sobrang iilan lang din yung mga open na na establishment. Hi. But anyway guys, so yun yung nangyari sa akin this week. No, and medyo na-excite ako kasi I think rainy season na. No? For the past days, umuulan-ulan. Meron pa nga the entire night nag-uulan, 'di ba? Kaya medyo malamig na, hindi na ganoon kainit. Wala na yung malinsangan, yung humid na talagang grabe. Wala na yung ganong feeling. So medyo nagta-transition na yung weather. Well, anyway guys, as of now, ibahin naman natin. We're not gonna talk about anxiety, no? Kasi baka ma-bored naman kayo. So ibahin naman natin yung topic or yung gagawin natin ngayon. Kasi guys, when I was in college, yun yung time na kaka-start pa lang ng cellphone. Yung text messaging dito sa Pilipinas. So, it started with of course cellphone, and then nagkaroon ng pager, and then yung yung cellphone na pwede nang mag-text. At during those times, unlimited text. So, pwede kang send lang ka ng send, ganyan. Pwede mong gawin yon kasi walang limit until nung ginawa na nilang piso per text, ganyan. So, nung time na yon na bago pa lang yung text messaging, medyo enjoy yung mga taong mag-send ng mga quotations, ganyan, mag-send ng mga sweet and cringy na mga messages, ganyan. I was in college during those times. So, 'di ba, uso yung Nokia na cellphone, 'di ba? From 5110 to 8850 at kung ano-ano pa, 'di ba? Well, I know guys, some of the millennials hindi na siguro masyadong na-experience 'yon. But for me, na-experience ko 'yon. Na-experience ko talaga yung pag-transition natin into the digital age that we have right now. So, alam niyo guys, sikreto lang natin 'to. During those times kasi, ang hilig-hilig kong mangolekta ng mga quotations, ang hilig-hilig kong mangolekta ng mga messages. Every time na may mga pinapadala sa akin ng mga quotations, ng mga messages, sinusulat ko siya. So, meron ako, kung sa mga kung sa mga witches pa, ito yung tinatawag nilang black book nila. So, ako naman, meron akong red book. At eto yon. So, lahat ng mga messages, ng mga quotations, ng mga sweet or cringy or kilig na mga messages, sinulat ko yun dito. Yung mga, yung mga, mga quotes ng ganyan na pinagsisend lang sa text. Wala na ngayon yun, di ba? Kasi parang, I don't know, hindi na, basta nung time na yun, usong-uso to. So parang every morning, pagising ko pa lang, siguro ang dami kong text messages na na-receive at lahat yun mga quotations, so ganyan. So, parang, it's our way of parang greetings, ganyan, in the morning or before you sleep at night. Send out ka muna ng quotations to your friends. I know, so nare-reminisce ko. Parang nanonostalgia ako pag iniisip ko. But I still have this, red book ko na to. Ito yung black book ko. Ito yung, book of magic. Kung yung sa mga witches, andun yung mga spell nila. Ito naman yung mga quotation ko. Ito yung mga spells ko. Ganyan. So, we're gonna browse. So, babasahin natin yung some of them. Yung mga cringy na mga quotations. Natatawa ako, iniisip ko pa lang. Okay, so here we go. Actually guys, meron akong mga quotations dito na nilagyan ko ng mga names. Kasi nung college ako, meron akong crush na pinapadala ko siya dun sa crush ko. Ganyan. Kasi dapat kailangan daw consistent ka. So, basta kailangan consistent at this hour, every day at ganitong oras, kailangan magsisend ako sa kanya ng quotation na ganito. Ganyan. Consistent yun. So, hindi niya, anonymous pa ako, na hindi niya alam kung sino ako. Pero, sinisendan ko siya ng ganitong quotation. Kung ano-anong quotation na mga sweet, ganyan. Mga inspiring quotation at around, siguro, 10 a.m. Ganon. Consistent yun, everyday kong pinapadala sa kanya. Okay, eto. Una. Find time to realize that there is one person who meant so much to you. For you might wake up one morning losing that person whom you thought meant nothing to you. Ito pa. If you think in my mind you don't have a place, look into my eyes and you'll see your face. And if you still wonder how much I care, open my heart and your name is there. Okay, another one. Don't ask the sun to always shine. It can't. The clouds exist. Don't ask the leaves not to fall. They can't. The wind exists. Don't ask me to forget you. I can't. Because you exist. Charot. Okay, eto maganda to. I'm not sure what life would bring. I'm not sure if dreams will even come true. I'm not sure what love can do. But the only sure thing I know is that I'm glad I've got you. Diba? Eto, gusto ko rin to. If I were a bee, I'll give you honey. If I were a vine, I'd give you a grape. If I were a magician, I'd give you everything. But I'm just me. All I can give is my heart. Eto, gusto ko to. God said, If you never felt pain, then how would you know that I'm a healer? If you never felt sadness, how would you know that I'm a comforter? If life was perfect, what would you need me for? Nice, no? Okay, so, meron akong mga quotes dito na nilalagyan ko ng parang dalawang flowers, parang ganon. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga favorite ko talaga. Okay, so, ito yung isa. Oh my God. Parang it's cringy na. Pero parang kinikilig ako na ewan. Oh my God. Sige, okay. Okay, kayo nang bahalang humusga. Okay, ito siya. I will walk with you side by side in only one condition. Hide your wings every time we walk together, because the whole world might know that you're my angel. Ito pa isa. An angel passed by to rescue me. I grabbed his hand, hugged him tight, and closed my eyes until I realized I'm already safe. And when I open my eyes, it's you that I see. Charot. Eto, hindi ko alam kung bakit favorite ko to. Ngayon na binabasa ko siya na, ngayon na, parang talaga. Okay, so kayo na humusga. Sabi dito, a great love is when you shed tears and yet you still care for him or her. It's when he ignores you and you still long for that person. And it is when he begins to love another girl and you still say, I'm happy for you. Corny. Ito maganda to. Sabi dito, why do we close our eyes when we pray, when we cry, when we imagine, when we kiss? This is because the most wonderful things in life are unseen and felt only by the heart. Eto, sabi dito, if you believe in destiny, in soulmates, in love at first sight, in eternal love, I bet you're still single. But it could be worth the wait. Ano daw? Sabi dito, love is about looking into the person's eyes and seeing what you have dreamed of. Charot. It's about looking into the person's heart and seeing why you want to stay forever. Love is about you and me. Ito naman about friendship. So, let's see. Sabi dito, a true friend understands when you say I forgot. Waits forever when you say just a minute. Stays with you when you say leave me alone. And open his heart even before you knock. Would you do the same? Hindi ko alam sa inyo guys, but when I was still a teenager, during those times, I'm very, parang, hopeless romantic ba tawag doon? I'm very hopeful, I'm very imaginative, I love words so much. So, things like this, yung mga ganito-ganito, mga quotations, mga, when I'm reading them, para akong nagbabasa din ng libro na talagang ini-internalize ko siya, ini-imagine ko siya, talagang kinikilig ako lang mag-isa. Para akong tanga. But I grew up, guys, I'm not the same person but I still enjoy. Actually, sometimes, naiisip ko at binabasa ko ulit Kaya na-enjoy ko pa rin naman siya. At medyo, parang it's a glimpse kung as me now, a glimpse kung paano ako before. Parang ganyan. Okay guys, ito last na to. So ito na lang yung iiwan ko sa inyo before I end this video. So I hope na sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit paano. So actually marami pa to. Makapal kasi siya, oh. So hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung mga pinagsusulat ko dito, pero marami pa siya. But anyway, this is the last quote na iiwan ko for you guys, and I hope you like it. This is all for you. If you are in heaven and I were in hell, I'll always look up and be proud of you. And if I were in heaven and you were in hell, I beg God to send me down, because heaven wouldn't be heaven without you. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you sa lahat sa inyo na nag-subscribe sa channel natin. And please do share sa mga friends nyo na may mga anxiety issues. And please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. So hanggang dito na lang guys ha. Sa next video na lang ulit. So as I've always said, please, 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 please choose life. Please, 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 please choose happiness. And please, 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 please start your day with a smile. You have a wonderful weekend ahead of you. Bye for now. Bye!